Today I have a mortgage tip for low-income home buyers on how an HOA can affect how much home you can buy. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Curtis Turner. I'm a licensed real estate agent in South Jordan, Utah with Exit Realty. Right now we are seeing record low interest rates. I am seeing rates for conventional 30-year loans as low as 2.875% and 15-year loans as low as 2.5%. FHA and VA 30-year loans are as low as 2.75 and 2.875%. This is good news if you're ready to buy a house, but please remember these rates are as of last week and that number changes constantly. Also, the ability to get into a loan depends on a lot of factors, but I think that you're getting the point that interest rates are really low right now. So now that we've got that little caveat out of the way, let's get on with this video. Unfortunately, it is becoming tougher for low-income home buyers to buy a home. The market forecast right now for this year is not looking good for that category of buyer. The number of units on the market is expected to be lower than it was last year in 2019. One challenge with first-time home buyers is that we as agents start to automatically think about getting buyers into townhomes and condos. But the real challenge with this is the HOA. For example, if you might be pre-approved for, say, $225,000 on a single-family residence with no HOA, that price range is hard to get in a single-family home right now. Yeah, I might be able to find a home in that price range, but it might be a condo, but that might have a $250 HOA on it. So for every $50 in HOA you get, it will decrease your buying power by $10,000. This means if you qualify for $225,000 with no HOA, you would only qualify for $215 with a $50 HOA, $205 with a $100 HOA, $195 with a $150 HOA. I think getting the point. For every $50 you have on an HOA, it lowers your buying power by $10,000. So my tip is, make sure you are aware of this reduction in your buying power and are not caught off guard when this scenario happens. Also, make sure your real estate agent and loan officer are on the same page. Make sure that there is no misunderstanding about what you really qualify for. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week.